Hey, investors, are you tired of watching your portfolio roller coaster with every market headline? What if I told you 2025 could be your most profitable year yet, if you know where to invest? We live in a world of economic uncertainty, where the Federal Reserve can't tell its elbow from its posterior. Inflation is up, interest rates are through the roof, and your 401k is probably looking more like a 101k. But fear not, my financially challenged friends, because today we're breaking down expert-backed strategies to dodge financial pitfalls and secure long-term wealth. That's right, we're going to cut through the noise, the liberal bias and the economic voodoo to bring you the facts, and nothing but the facts, about how to make your money work for you in 2025. Stick around. Your future self will thank you. Friends, let's be honest. 2025 is shaping up to be a doozy. We're talking about seismic shifts in the global economy. Think about it. Artificial intelligence is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's here, it's real, and it's about to upend industries faster than you can say ChatGPT. And then there's green energy. The climate change folks are having a field day, but you know who else is? Investors. Governments around the world are throwing money at anything remotely green, which means opportunity is ripe for the picking. But hold your horses, because it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Inflation is still rearing its ugly head, and interest rates are about as predictable as a Biden speech. This means that parking your money in a savings account is like throwing it into a bonfire. You need a strategy, a plan, a way to navigate this economic minefield and come out on top. That's what we're here to do today. We're going to break down the economic landscape, identify the pitfalls, and equip you with the knowledge you need to make smart, strategic investment decisions. Because, let's face it, in this economy, you either adapt or you get left behind. Investors must balance sectors like AI and renewables with stable assets. Diversification isn't optional, it's survival. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. The first rule of smart investing is simple: diversify or die. Remember 2008? The housing market crashed, people lost their shirts, and those who had all their eggs in one basket were left scrambling for scraps. Diversification is your shield against the unexpected, your insurance policy against economic turmoil. It's about spreading your risk across different asset classes, industries, and even geographies. Think of it like this. You wouldn't bet your entire life savings on a single horse race, would you? Of course not. You'd spread your bets, hedge your risks, and maximize your chances of coming out ahead. The same principle applies to investing. You need a balanced portfolio, one that can weather the storms and come out stronger on the other side. Now, I'm not talking about throwing darts at a wall and hoping for the best. Diversification requires strategy, a keen understanding of market trends, and a healthy dose of skepticism. Don't just follow the herd, do your own research, consult with trusted advisors, and make informed decisions based on facts, not feelings. Allocate 50% to growth sectors like tech and renewables, 30% to stable dividends like utilities and healthcare, and 20% to emergency cash or bonds. So, where should you be putting your hard-earned money in 2025? Well, as I mentioned earlier, artificial intelligence and automation are poised to revolutionize entire industries. We're talking about robotics, cloud computing, and software that can practically think for itself. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, it's happening right now. And the investment opportunities are enormous. But AI is just one piece of the puzzle. Renewable energy is another sector with massive growth potential, with governments around the world pouring billions into solar, wind, and other green technologies. There's money to be made for savvy investors who know where to look. But let's not forget about the healthcare sector. As populations age and demand for new treatments and technologies skyrockets, healthcare innovation is a surefire bet for long-term growth. And then there are the value plays, the often overlooked sectors, like shipping and agriculture, that offer stability and consistent returns. The key is to identify undervalued assets with strong fundamentals and the potential for future growth. Remember, investing isn't about chasing the latest fad or jumping on the bandwagon. It's about making calculated decisions based on sound research and a deep understanding of market dynamics. Emerging markets like India and Vietnam offer high growth opportunities, but tread carefully with crypto. Regulations are tightening. Before you throw money at every shiny object, avoid common investment pitfalls. Don't let fear or FOMO dictate your decisions. Remember the meme stock craze of 2021? Many lost money when the bubble burst. Don't be a meme stock martyr. Investing requires discipline and patience. Set clear investment goals. Understand your risk tolerance. Diversify and mitigate potential losses. Set strict stop-loss limits. Always research before jumping on trends. In today's digital age, investors have access to an unprecedented array of tools and resources to empower their investment journey. From sophisticated trading platforms to robo-advisors that automate portfolio management, the options can be overwhelming. One essential tool for any investor is a reliable investment research platform. Websites like Morningstar and Yahoo Finance provide a wealth of information on stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other investment vehicles. These platforms offer in-depth financial data, analyst ratings, and portfolio tracking tools to help you make informed investment decisions. For those new to investing or looking for a more hands-off approach, robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront can be a great option. These platforms use algorithms to create and manage diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. They typically charge lower fees than traditional financial advisors, making them an attractive option for cost-conscious investors. Another valuable resource is financial news and analysis. Stay up to date on market trends, economic indicators, and company-specific news by following reputable financial publications like the Wall Street Journal, Bloomberg, and Financial Times. However, be wary of sensationalized headlines and unsubstantiated rumors, especially on social media. Now that we've covered the fundamentals of smart investing, let's create a roadmap to help you build your 2025 investment plan. Step 1 is to define your financial goals. What are you saving for? Retirement? A down payment on a house? Your children's education? Once you have a clear understanding of your objectives, you can start to develop a plan to achieve them. Step 2 is to assess your risk tolerance. How much volatility are you comfortable with in your portfolio? Are you willing to take on more risk for the potential of higher returns? Or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Your risk tolerance will play a significant role in determining your asset allocation strategy. Step 3 is to diversify your investments. Remember the old adage, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographies to mitigate risk and maximize your chances of success. Step 4 is to review and adjust your portfolio regularly. The market is constantly evolving, and your investment strategy should evolve with it. Review your portfolio at least quarterly and make adjustments as needed to ensure you're still on track to meet your financial goals. And finally, don't be afraid to seek professional advice. There you have it, folks. The tools, the strategies, the roadmap to financial success in 2025 and beyond. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making smart, informed decisions that will help you build long-term wealth and achieve your financial goals. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future and make 2025 your most profitable year yet? I know I am. Smash that subscribe button, download our free 2025 investment blueprint below, and let's make this your wealthiest decade yet. Stay sharp, invest smarter, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert investment tips. Visit our website for additional resources and strategies.